What's up, you guys? So welcome back to today's video. We are doing another new unboxing for a subscription service that is revolving around beauty. Now, this company actually did reach out to me. It is the Chic Beauty Box subscription service, and they reached out to me through Instagram. I've actually never heard of them, so I was very excited. They asked me if I'd like to unbox, and I was like, of course, that's what I do here on my channel. We do unboxings. Why not? So I wanted to share this box with you guys and show you guys the products that are in the box, and that way if you guys are interested in the brand, that way if you guys are interested in this service, you guys can take a look at it for yourself. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Stephanie, and I hope you guys will hit that subscribe button before you head out, but let's unbox this. So on their website, it says that you get 4 to 5 full-size products every other month for $34.99. It says each month you will receive 4 to 5 full-size products worth over $100. You can try out our box with no commitments. Get 4 to 5, still the 4 to 5 full-size products for $39.99. So let's say that you just wanted to try it out before you commit to anything. You can do it for an extra $5. You would just, the $39.99, it's a one-time box and that's it. But if you do the bi-monthly plan, then it goes down to $34.99, still 4 to 5 full-size products for $100, worth over $100 in every box. And that is billed bi-monthly, or you can do the annual for $189.99, still the same. I'm gonna go ahead and link down below any information, like their Instagram, which is where they, where they reached out to me from, and then also their website. But we're gonna go ahead and open this little bad boy up. It comes in a cute little pink box, and it says Chic Beauty Box right on it. Here you have it. So first thing is, it says that this is the September-October box, and then all the information is on the back. So the first thing I see here, very nice, is the Bare Minerals. This is the Bare Minerals highlighter in Endless Glow, and I have the shade Free. Now, if you guys remember a while ago, I think it was like in my Sephora Fantasy haul, I had actually talked about wanting one of these Bare Minerals highlighters. Oh, save. Oh, I was like, I got to hold on to it for about 2 seconds before I ruined it all. So here it is right here. Oh my gosh, that looks so gorgeous. I actually don't have any highlight on right now, and that is going to change. Yeah, look at that. We definitely need to apply some highlight. So I swear by this highlighter brush. This is the AOA Studio highlighter brush. It's like $1 on their site. My favorite highlighting brush ever. I wasn't going to wear any highlight today because I have to wear a mask. We're going to the pumpkin patch later today, and I was like, no, I'm not going to do it. It's like subtle, but not, I don't know. I really like it. I have a deep love for Bare Minerals. Over the years, I feel like Bare Minerals has definitely stepped up their game, and if you guys haven't dove into Bare Minerals, I swear to you guys, it's not like your mom's makeup anymore. Like, that's what I've always thought of because that's what my mom wore, and that's what she got me into when I was younger, but now it's definitely like evolved, and they're definitely like on there. They've got some really great stuff. So the next thing I see here is this NYX powder blush. This is in the shade Peach. I haven't had a NYX powder blush in so long. What was the one? There was one that I loved so much. It was like maybe it was called Terracotta. Do you guys remember that? If you guys have been with me for a while, there was like an orange one I was obsessed with. You guys might remember when I did like a bunch of tutorials. And I will say lately, I've been super into hot pinks. There's something about having like super flushed cheeks that I'm really digging right now. There you have it. Very beautiful. All right, next thing I have here is by Almay. This is the Almay Goddess Glow Lip Gloss. You guys, I don't know that I really own anything from Almay. A long time ago, they sent me like a PR box with some makeup in it. And maybe because I said that I didn't really care for it, they kind of kicked me off their PR list. Almay is just kind of one of those brands that they just don't really, I don't know. It's like super hit and miss. Now, I will say that their Almay like makeup remover, like sticks or whatever, those are golden. Like those are definitely worth the money. This is a really pretty gloss. Let's put it here. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting that. Look at that. Look. It is so vibrant. It almost looks like it could be a liquid highlighter. Like it is gorgeous. It's like gold with like a pink undershift to it. It's very beautiful. I'm kind of impressed with that Almay gloss. All right, next thing I have here, is the Too Faced Peach Puff Long Wear Diffused Matte Lip Color. This is, I don't own any of this. Oh, and this is a good shade too. This is in Boy Bye. Look at that. Oh, this is a diffused matte lip color. Oh, it's got that little puffy thing. I've seen these before. I just have never really tried them. What's on the bottom? Oh, you just twist it. And there you have it. I decided to put it on like inside of my arm. It's a really pretty color. It's a little bit brighter than what I was expecting. You guys, this box is really good. Why haven't I heard of this box? And then I have this here, which is my last product. This is the Bare Minerals Invisible Light Translucent Powder Duo. I actually think I own this. I do own this. So I'll open it, but I'm not going to swatch it or anything because I actually believe I do own this. Or maybe I gave it to my mom, but I've received this before is what I'm saying. So this is the matte powder right here. And then this side is like the Invisible Glow. And you guys, the Invisible Glow is really pretty. They're very similar to, they're very, very similar in my opinion to like the Ambient Glow powders. They've got that same like really soft texture to it, but it gives a really nice soft like even glow. Very natural, nothing too crazy. So that is a really good box. Holy hell. I didn't look at the back of my card because there is so much stuff in here and I knew I wasn't getting everything, but I want to say that these are all the options that you could get. There's like a full list of things that you could get in here. There's everything in here from drugstore to high end. Definitely a really interesting box. I'm actually very impressed with this box. Not that I was expecting anything less from this box, but I really didn't know what to expect now. But if you look at their Instagram, definitely they have that like very high-end vibe to them. But yes, let me know down below what you guys think so far about the box. If you've never heard of it, what your thoughts are on it, or if you've tried it out. I just want to know down below what you guys think about it. Definitely check out this box. Thank you so much to Chic Beauty Box for sending this box over for me to test out. Let me know down below if you guys want to see a box for the next following month. So if you guys would like to see another box, let me know down below. I will definitely subscribe and get another box to see what we get. Thank you again for spending a little bit of time with me today and doing this unboxing. And I hope you guys have a wonderful afternoon, morning, evening, whatever it is for you guys. And I will see you guys all in my next box. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you guys are new to my channel. And if you guys liked this video and you like this unboxing, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps out my channel. And I will see you guys all later. Make sure to check out some of these videos if you haven't checked them out yet. They are right here for you guys. Bye.